Hi, I'm Jordan, one of the team members here at Spiffy Customer Care. Ever wonder what a day in our life looks like as a Spiffy Customer Care team member? Well, follow me and I'll show you. Signing in and checking emails is the top of your day here at Spiffy Customer Care. Making sure we're briefed on everything that happened the day before is going to make us the most successful for the day going forward. This is just an example of one of the 50 plus locations that we support on a day-to-day basis. Alongside customer and technician support, constant communication with your team is a must to be successful here at Spiffy Customer Care. In such a fast-paced environment, you got to make sure you stay fueled up. Come to the break room and get a nice snack to keep you moving through your day. With all the things going on in the day, multitasking is in the forefront of our job position. Being able to focus on multiple things at once is going to be the key to being in this department. Thanks for joining me in a day in my life as a Spiffy Customer Care team member. If you're interested in joining the team, then go to our careers page and apply today.